Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix phone heating while charging for HUAWEI MatePad 12X. Let's begin! Okay, so the reality is that it's completely normal for your phone or a tablet or basically anything else to heat up while you charge it. This is just how battery works. The electricity comes in, flows and heats up your battery, and this is not an unusual behavior and you shouldn't really worry about it. However, if the temperature gets really high, like you have troubles actually holding your device with hands without getting burned, then there is indeed something very wrong with your battery. And there are a couple of things that we can do to check if everything is okay. First of all, we can head into the settings, then go into your battery, and you want to go into battery health to simply check its health. It's very common for low health batteries to struggle during, I would say, the last moments of their lives before they finally die out. So if you have a very low battery with a very low maximum capacity, then this means your battery is just getting old and it might heat up to a very dangerous amount of temperature. Though note that even high temperatures shouldn't really do anything wrong with your device. This is because the HUAWEI MatePad itself isn't like plastic. I believe it's something aluminium or metallic, and you would probably worry if that would be plastic, because then your plastic would melt, which would be pretty unfortunate to say the least. But once again, the normal temperatures are completely fine. However, if you have actually troubles trying to determine between okay temperatures and dangerous temperatures, don't worry, that's completely normal. And unfortunately, there isn't an official way to check your battery temperature in the settings. I'm not sure why. Even if you would try to enable developer settings and look there, you just won't find it. Instead, you want to head into your app gallery. You want to go into your search bar and you can type something in like battery health. And let's try to search for something like this. And you will see that there are many different applications. I don't think it really matters which you're going to install, especially that there are some applications that require you to have a Gbox, or there are some applications that are HUAWEI App Gallery native, but they seem to have very low ratings. And oh, actually, this one doesn't have ratings at all. And I would be very careful installing some random unknown applications, so I would advise you to watch our Gbox tutorial so you will know how to actually install Gbox and how to install Google related applications on your HUAWEI device. But basically, after you have done that, you can install that battery health, and inside that application you will see the temperature and general temperature of usage. So you will see how much warm your battery is when you're using it and how warmer it gets when you're actually charging your device. But once again, if it's just slightly warmer than usual, it's completely fine. You shouldn't really worry about it. And if it's getting really hot, and like really hot that you can't barely touch it, barely hold it, then you probably want to have it checked out. Of course, I don't advise you to unscrew your HUAWEI tablet and actually try to do something with the battery, because that would screw up your warranty. And if you have your warranty, you can just go into HUAWEI shop and ask them to check your device, to check if your battery is okay. Maybe you will even get a refund if you still have your warranty, and if the battery died not because of you but because of, well, natural causes. But anyway, that's the end of this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.